Think about it. From a young child seeking their parents' gaze to a boss yearning their team to focus in a critical meeting. Well, our life revolves around the pursuit of attention. It's a glue that holds our understanding and interactions together. Miss paying attention to a lecture or a conversation, and you're lost in the sea of confusion. But here's where things get fascinating. In 2017, a group of revolutionary researchers flipped the script of artificial intelligence by their paper known as Attention is All You Need. Hi everyone, this is Nashit, and welcome to day 3 of Understanding the Architecture of ChatGPT. Now imagine a world where machines can understand human languages as effortlessly as we do. Intriguing, right? Well, in 2017, a groundbreaking paper titled Attention is All You Need brought us a step closer to this reality. Let's dive deep into what makes this paper a cornerstone for the world of natural language processing, or NLP for short. Before this paper, the world of NLP was like a crowded, bustling market full of potential but also chaos. Machines struggled to pick out relevant information from the noise of human language. They were like a tourist trying to understand conversation in a busy market in a foreign country. Well, enter the era of Attention is All You Need paper. It's not just a catchy title, it's a revolution as we are thinking it. Published by the researchers at Google, this paper introduced a new way of machines to process languages, focus on what's important, much like how we pay attention during our conversation. You see, earlier models in the NLP were like old school maps. They would get you from one place to another, but with some detours and confusions. This paper, however, introduced a model known as transformer model. Think of it as a GPS of language processing. It directly focuses on the essential parts of the sentences, making understanding and translations much more efficient. This was revolutionary, right? Because for the first time, machines could process entire sentences and even paragraphs in one go. And they also did not get lost into the details. It was like giving them the ability to see the forest and trees at the same time. Well, this approach is not just streamlined natural language processing, but opened door for more fluent and accurate translations, sophisticated chatbots, and much more. It's a big deal in the tech world, akin to the first man landing on the moon in the space exploration. So when we talk about Attention is All You Need, it's not just a paper, but it's a pivotal moment of the journey of AI, transforming how machines understand and intercept our languages. Now let's unpack the word that you have been hearing a lot about, attention. In the world of machine learning, attention isn't about standing up and saluting, it's more about focus. But what exactly does a focus mean for the machine? Think of it as a conversation at a bustling coffee shop. There are multiple discussions that are happening around you, the clattering of the cup, the hissing of the espresso machine. Amidst this chaos, you focus on the conversation with your friend, tuning rest of the things out. And this selective focus is what is known as attention. In machine learning, attention works similarly. Let's say you have a sentence, the cat sat on a mat. A machine without an attention will not be able to focus on the main words. It will give same importance for the and on as much as it gives to cat and mat. But with attention mechanism, the machine, like the cafe, will focus upon the important words or important elements. It will understand that the cat and mat will have more weightage on the sentences than the or on, and they are less critical. This ability to focus makes the language much more efficient, like reading a book or knowing which part to skim while studying very closely. So when you say that attention is all you need, what we are really saying in the world of machine learning is by the ability to focus upon the right sentences, and that's the key to unlocking the whole new level of language understanding. Well, and it's a magic of attention. It's not just about hearing, it's also about listening to what matters. Well, so the stage is set, and in the future videos, we would be going through this attention mechanism and the transformer models that it gave rise to. Well, see you then there. Oh, by the way, you can also click on the notifications and on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of it. All right, see you tomorrow. Peace.